Hello everyone, today we are going to be doing an outside view of this Oasis XP located on 16th Avenue in Markham at the Esso/Circle K gas station. This guy got the luxury wash. I didn't film the whole wash because he already got there when his wash is available. So we will get the next guy. So this wash is resetting. This guy's going through those superior dryers right now. He's going through the dryers really quickly, like the other guy at the right radius. But he's taking his time. That's the main thing. This used to be a tunnel system, like a touchless tunnel, until they replace it with this Oasis XP. Now someone's going through the wash right now, but doors are opening. So, hope you enjoy it. Okay, I'll go over there first, if you say so. So, yeah, we're ready to go. So that guy you just saw got the full wash. That's the second and top wash. Because he got the Rocker panel blasters.
Oh, yeah.
And no tri-foam too. So he didn't get the top wash for this one. Yeah, yeah, because this wash did a great job, especially for a weird system like that. Now, we will get going. So, I'm not sure if we're going to look at any more washes today. Guess we'll find out soon. So, anyways, I want to say thanks for watching as always. Hope you enjoyed this video, and that will be it.